Okay, so this is the week 5 homework. I had to create a logger interface with two void, abstract methods, log and error. So I come over here and then I had to create a class called the app that would display these to the console. So asterisk logger was supposed to take whatever I gave it, whatever string I gave it, and surround it with 3 asterisks on each side. So you pass in log as a string, this variable here, and when you call this in the correct class, it will print this out with the new string you put in here in the middle. So over here on the logger side, you're implementing an abstract method. Same thing down here for the error method. You just do asterisks with the error colon and then put your variable in there. Spaced logger is similar, but I had to loop through it to get spaces inside. So the same way we're implementing a new method, or we're making a new method here. I had to make a mutable string so I could put my string in here into space to log. You iterate through as long as the length of your variable, your word is, and every time it's putting that letter, that character in, and then it adds a space behind each character. When that's all done, it saves it in space log, it kicks it out as a string, and prints it to the console when this log is, when spaced logger is called upon in my app class. Same thing for the error. I have a string builder to make an immutable string, iterated through the same way. The only difference on this one is before it kicks everything out in the sysout here, it just adds this error string at the beginning of it. It kicks it all out. So the app that actually calls this stuff, I use my public static void main here, instantiated my logger class here with asterisk logger and spaced logger, and named my new variables here so that I could call it down below. So here I call the logger class asterisk logger for log and error, and here I do it for spaced logger for log and error. I'll just replace these with my name so that I can show that it will work. And play that, and we have Spencer surrounded by asterisks, error Spencer surrounded by asterisks, Spencer with all spaces, and then error colon Spencer with spaces, like the homework asked.